So today I'm going to teach you on how to set up a voice channel on Discord. So it is very simple, so follow along. Firstly, you want a different kind of voice. You want to change your voice and prank your friends or talk to your friends in a different manner. Go to Google, type on Morph VOX and go search. You can see here a screaming bee. Open this on your I'm showing this on your phone, but you should download it on your Windows. So just go and click on your screaming bee right here. For a long run, just buy, but if you want to free trial it, just click on the free trial and download it. So in Windows download, you can download on Mac, and after that, after downloading and installing, you will see various kinds of voices. So you can install any voice you want, download it, go to your, after downloading, go to your input device in your voice settings. In the voice setting, go to your input device, that is voice and video settings, and change it to the voice you have downloaded. Then you can easily go and change your voice whatever you want. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching.